Welcome to Theme Park HD, where we bring you the latest and greatest at the theme parks, experiences, special events, and much more. Jump in with us as we bring you our first look of the new Peppa Pig theme park here in Dallas-Fort Worth, located in the suburb of North Richland Hills. Merlin Entertainment is the company behind Peppa, with this being the second theme park installment under the Peppa Pig brand here in the US, with the other location in Orlando, Florida opening in 2022. Let's go! As we drone over the park, we will experience 5 ride attractions, 10 play areas, 2 show venues, plus food concessions and a shop, all spread out over 14 acres. As we view the right side of the park, we see several of these play areas mentioned, including Rebecca's Rabbit's Playground and Madame Gazelle's Nature Trail. 2 anchor attractions are featured here, including Mr. Potato's Showtime Arena and Peppa Pig's Balloon Ride. Looking to the far right, we see the Fun Fair Games area, a carnival-style area with interactive games for kids to enjoy. In the center of the park is the main attraction, and rightfully so, Daddy Pig's Roller Coaster, a kid's My First roller coaster type, built more for fun and less fear. The minimum height for this ride is 36 inches. This is a good time to remind us that this theme park's target ages are around the 2 to 7 year old, but anyone can come join Peppa Pig for some fun. As we head to the top left side of the park, we splash into Muddy Puddle Splash Pad, a featured water area inclusive to all children. Now on your screen is Grampy Rabbit's Dinosaur Adventure, a slow ride-on-rail attraction, a youth ride similar to other finds that we see across the US theme parks. Arr, matey! We next take our voyage to Granddad's Dog Pirate Boat Ride, where you and your little ones can enjoy a boat ride with Granddog Dog himself as you set sail for Pirate Island to dig for buried treasure and build your own sandcastles on its sandy beaches. Arrgh! As we get a closer look at some of the park's features, you can see how the vibrant colors along with the characters of Peppa Pig would make for a delightful time for any kid. Character appearances will be made throughout the park, as well as there's opportunities to book birthday parties and special events. Looking north here, you can see the parking lots here to the north, and then as we pan east, you can see more parking lots. The guesstimated max capacity, again, guesstimated, is likely around 2,000 guests based on the parking lot size here at Peppa Pig Theme Park in Dallas. To quote another famous pig, that's all folks. Thank you for joining us as we brought you our first look of Peppa Pig theme park here in Dallas-Fort Worth as we ride together towards the March 1st grand opening. Make sure to like and subscribe to our Theme Park HD channel as we continue to bring you the latest and greatest. Bye!